Hey Curious! I'm James. Today's question is: what happens to the light that's been sucked into a black hole? Light particles can't escape a black hole, but that doesn't mean they are destroyed. Once a particle of light, photon, passes the event horizon of a black hole, it can no longer escape, but there's nothing to suggest that it is destroyed. Like matter, the photon is rapidly sucked towards the singularity at the center of the black hole, where a huge mass is packed into an infinitely small space. What happens to photons at these extreme conditions, however, is one of physics' big unanswered questions. If you love this video, please click the like button. I would like to hear your feedback. Please write your questions or opinion in comments section, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.